Hi guys, welcome to PropDesk.ph. My name is Nick and we are going to teach you how to add a new listing in your PropDesk profile. So now, as of now, we are in our homepage. So in your homepage, you can see your site analytics. So this week, we've got 94 listing views and 22 profile views. So far I'm not yet boosting any ads or with meta ads or something. So this is just organic site traffic. Okay, so if you want to add listing, you can just tap this new listing side here, then you can click add. We can upload photos, so for example this one. So just select all the photos you want to upload. So you can just tap open and then upload 11 files. So since I've already uploaded those, I'll just click the library and I'll just select those 11 files. Okay, now 10. Okay, so this is our uploaded photos. Then this, if you see this star logo, you can select whatever you want to show first. So for example, this one, I want to show this one, so I'll just tap the star logo in there. Now if you want to add documents, so you do the same process. Just go to the upload sign here, then click this, then upload whatever file you want to upload. So for example, this one, so upload one file. It will appear on the library. Then you can just slightly rename that and save changes. Select one, then it will appear on the documents. So the client can see this once they view the public listing. So for the title, I've already asked ChatGPT here to give me some good titles for this property. So for example, this one, so the slope 91 residences. So I'll just change this because I don't like the font. Then I don't use dashes on my listings, so for overall continuity, I'll just use that. Then the slope 91 residences. So this is the URL, so you can customize the URL, which is optional, but it's better if you can customize it. So at most you can easily remember it when sharing it to clients. So with the property type, so we know this is an house and lot. Then for the price, I've seen it's 16 million. Then for the default down payment, they are asking for 10 to 20%. So let's just go for the lowest one. Then the default reservation fee is 200,000 for this property. Now for their installment period, they are asking for 24 months. So let's just put it there. So this listing type is for sale, but you can also select for rent if ever you have a rental property. Now, for now, it's for sale. So the property status now, if it's RFO, ready for occupancy, or pre-selling. So since this is pre-selling, let's select pre-selling. Now I don't know the developer of this property, but I'll just select developer. Now for the location, if the project is already registered in Google Maps, it will appear in here. So the 91 slope residences, and 91 slope, slope 91, okay, this one. So that's the location. So sa address, you can change it, residences Guadalupe. Okay, so the city is Cebu City and the province is Cebu. Okay, so now for the property details, so we know that this is a 3-bedroom property with 2 bathrooms. Now I don't know much about the floor area, so I'll just check here. So for the floor area, it's 144.51, so I'll copy that, I'll paste it. Lot area is 90.80, I'll paste it. Then for the parking, I think Many parking right there. I think with the pictures, based on the pictures, it's one parking. Floor level is, since it's 2 floors, 2 stories, so let's just put 2. Then, considering that it's 24 equity terms, so I'll just add 2 years to the year now, so 2028. Then, pet policy, usually, pets are allowed with houses, so let's just put allowed. Then furnishing, if they are offering a promo, if it's fully furnished or semi-furnished, up to the developer. So for now it's unfurnished. Then you can just check the amenities of the project. So as of now, I think so far there's not much of an amenity in this project. So let's just put 24/7 security, parking, garden, balcony, and CCTV. Okay. Now for the property description, I'm just going to copy whatever is ChatGPT giving me. So I'll just copy that. Then I'll just put it here. So now I have my own listing for this property. So I'll just publish it. No thanks. Okay. So this is the agent view now. Let's go to the public page. So the public page is the client view. So this is what your client will see. So they will see the photos. Okay. Then they can see the Google Maps. So they can navigate through here. Now the good thing with this app is that whenever they're checking on this property, they can also see the installment terms. So whatever you've set there, that's the default payment term, but they can adjust it. See? So it's adjustable, fully adjustable, and you can also show them the interest rates and loan terms adjustment right here. Then if in case they don't like this property, they can just scroll down and they can see the similar and nearby properties around the area. So for example, Arsenas, so they just tap Arsenas, then they can see this, the details, and the location as well. Then same goes, there's a document, so they can just tap the document, then the document can appear right away, as you can see. So maybe let's select another property. Let's check. Wait for a while. Maybe this one. Then as you can see, this one has a video tour, so you can also add YouTube videos actually. So for example,
Hi, this is Nick. Welcome to Housing and Condo Deals
So
PH.
they can also view that.
We are in Wood.
Okay. Then they can also check around. Then if they want to send you a message, they can just click the contact info or request info right here, or they can call you right away. Okay, so now since I'm using PC, I can call the agent right away, which is me. So they can just request info, then whatever it is that they put here will appear on your leads, the leads page. So this part. So I hope you found some interesting information right here for PropDesk. And if you have more questions, just message us in our PropDesk support group. Thank you.